In this quick guide, we'll be diving into how to use Process.st's conditional logic, a powerful feature that lets you create dynamic workflows tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're new to Process.st or you're looking to optimize your processes, understanding conditional logic will take your workflows to the next level. With Process.st's conditional logic, you can make your workflows adapt in real time based on the information entered by team members. This means you can create smarter, more efficient processes that respond to different situations automatically, saving you tons of time and reducing manual work. Here's how it works. Conditional logic allows you to set up conditions in your workflow so that different steps appear or are hidden depending on previous answers. For example, you can set up a step that only shows if a specific checkbox is ticked or if an answer is above a certain threshold. This helps streamline your process, ensuring the right steps are followed, no matter the circumstances. To start using conditional logic in Process.st, first, create a new template or open an existing one. Once you're in the template editor, you'll see options for adding conditional logic to each step in your process. You can add a condition by selecting the Add Logic option for a step, then define the rule for when that step should appear. For example, let's say you're managing a client onboarding process. You could set up a condition where the next step only shows if the client's status is marked as approved. This ensures that the process flows smoothly and everyone knows exactly what they need to do next, based on the situation at hand. What's really powerful about this is that it works not only for showing or hiding steps, but also for controlling what data gets entered or passed along between steps. You can set conditions for fields, checkboxes, or drop-downs based on user input. This means you can create a truly personalized experience for every task and ensure that your team isn't overwhelmed with irrelevant information. As you build out your processes, you can chain together multiple conditions to create more complex workflows. For example, if one step depends on a certain action being completed in a prior task, you can set multiple conditions to ensure that each task only triggers when it's supposed to. This way, your team will always know exactly where they stand in the workflow and what action is needed next. Now, let's talk about how you can implement conditional logic with minimal effort. Start simple. Begin by identifying the steps that should only appear when certain conditions are met. As you get more comfortable, experiment with different conditional rules and test them to make sure everything flows as expected. It's all about trial and error to get it just right for your specific process. Another great thing about Process.st's conditional logic is how intuitive it is. You don't need to be a coding expert to use it. Everything is set up via a user-friendly interface. Simply select the trigger, like a field change or a status update, and then decide what should happen next, whether that's showing or hiding a step or altering data. If you're someone who loves streamlining workflows and boosting productivity, using conditional logic in Process.st is a game changer. By automating the decision-making process, you eliminate a lot of human error and free up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. It's all about making your processes more efficient, flexible, and responsive. Remember, if you're new to Process.st and you want to dive deeper into all its powerful features, including conditional logic, you can use the software for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. This is your chance to try out Process.st risk-free and see firsthand how it can elevate your workflow management. In closing, Process.st's conditional logic is one of the best tools for creating customized, efficient workflows that adjust to your needs in real time. It's a must-have feature for anyone looking to streamline their processes, and with the exclusive extended free trial available, there's no better time to get started. Check the link below to claim your trial and start building smarter workflows today.